Hello, my name is Wayne Godsoe from the Avaya Serviceability Engineering team. This tech tip will cover an overview of port mirroring and the steps to configure port mirroring on the ERS8800. Port mirroring is the process of sending an exact copy of network packets seen on one switch port to another port so the packets can be captured for analysis. The ERS8800 is capable of mirroring entire VLANs or multi-link trunks on a system. The port mirroring process is used to monitor network traffic for various reasons, including to isolate a fault on the system, to analyze and debug data packets, or for intrusion detection purposes. In our tech tip, we'll view the various options available when configuring port mirroring. We'll configure a port mirroring entry ID number to identify our specific port mirroring configuration. We'll configure the in port, which is the port in the system that we want to mirror, and we'll identify the out port, which is the port in the system which will receive the mirror packets. Once you complete your configuration, a network sniffer or PC with packet capture software is attached to the out port to capture the packet trace. We'll select the mode of packet capture, which can be transmit, receive, or bidirectional. In our case, we'll configure receive mode. We'll enable mirroring for our port mirroring entry number 1. We'll verify our port mirroring configuration is correct using the info command. And finally, we'll clean up by deleting our port mirroring entry ID number 1. The first thing we'll do in our example is view the port mirroring options available to us. Using the question mark at the end of our command, we'll display our possible options. Now we'll configure our port mirroring entry ID number using the number 1. This is a unique identifier as there can be multiple entry IDs configured on the system at the same time. Next, we'll define our in port and our out port with the create command. In our example, our in port will be slot 2 port 23 and our out port will be slot 2 port 24. We would connect our packet sniffer to port 224 to capture our packet trace originating from our in port, which was defined as 223. Next, we'll configure the mode of packet capture, and in our case it will be receive mode. Next, we'll enable mirroring on our port entry number 1 using the enable command followed by the true attribute. To turn off mirroring for this entry, you would use the enable command again with the false attribute. Next, we will verify our port mirroring configuration is enabled using the info command. This will confirm our mirrored and mirroring ports are correct as well. Finally, we'll clean up and remove the port mirroring configuration for entry number 1 using the delete command. As we have seen here in our tech tip, port mirroring is very easy to set up on the ERS8800 and is an extremely useful tool for fault isolation and troubleshooting. Thank you for your time today. We hope this information was useful. We welcome comments, questions, and feedback at mentor@avaya.com or on Twitter @Avaya Mentor. Thank you for choosing Avaya.